wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi kids, from A to Z, from east to west. This is Noah and we're here on the Thomas the Train Dream Again episode. I want to introduce you to Thomas the Train. Do you know Thomas the Train? Well, come on Thomas, come on out. It's time to pick up the people to go to Central Station. There he is. Look. And stop. We're going to pick up our first passenger. And the first one is the firefighter right here. The firefighter, you know what he does? He does something very, very special. And a lot of firefighters are considered to be heroes. Why? Because firefighters fight fire. That's a very dangerous job. But they save lives. And they save homes and all of our possessions. And that's why they're called heroes. But especially because they run into houses that are on fire and they save our lives. Let's take the firefighter in our train and let's go and pick up our next passenger. Let's go! Let's get to the next passenger. Thomas, are you ready to pick up your next passenger? We're on our way again. Let's go. Stop. Perfect, Thomas. That was great. Now we're going to pick up our next passenger, which is a race car driver. And what does a race car driver do? They race their car very, very fast. They drive so fast that it can be quite dangerous. But a race car driver is pretty cool too. You see the loops that this race car driver can do? Wee, 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 wee. Oh, but you gotta watch out. If not, the police will catch you. But you're right. Race car drivers only are able to drive so fast on racetracks. They do that in a competitive sporting event against other race car drivers. And whoever is the fastest, they win. So today though, you're gonna travel with Thomas the Train. It might not be that fast, but I can assure you, Thomas is always reliable. He will make sure to get you to the Central Station. So hop on and let's get started. Thomas, time to go. Thomas, are you coming? What are you waiting for? Let's go. Stop. Thank you, Thomas. We have come to the next passenger stop. Now this is Mega Block Truck. He transports blocks or other big things that are very, very heavy in his truck right here. But today he's done for the day. He's done all the construction that he can do. And now it's time to go to the Central Station because the mega truck wants to go home to his family. Now, do you want to get into Thomas the Train? He is a very reliable train. So let's hop on and go to Central Station. Come on, mega truck. Oh, look, there's Barbie. Hi, Barbie. Are you taking care of the farms? Yeah? Wow, I really like your farmland. That looks very beautiful. You're doing a good job. Well, if you need to come along, let me know. I need to follow Thomas now. Give me a moment and I'll see you later, okay? Bye! Thomas, where are you? Oh, I think there was a tree right in front of the train tracks, which we had to get out of the way. That's why we have a 5-minute delay. But Thomas is a reliable train. He can make that up because our helicopter is already waiting for us. Oh, and I think I can hear him. Thomas, that's you, aren't you? Thomas made it! Woohoo! That's great. Thomas, I want to introduce you to our next passenger. This is our helicopter pilot. He can fly helicopters in the sky. And he can even land this helicopter in the water. That's a very special helicopter because usually most helicopters can only land on land. But this one can land on water. Do you see where he is? He's on the water right now, but he's also on the dock. So it is time for him to enter and get on this train so he can go home because it's the end of the day. Right, Thomas? It's time to go. Let's go! Let's see who our next passenger is. Hold on. There we are again, kids. Did you guess who's our next passenger? Can you see him already? No? You only see an empty blue box? But look closer. Do you see him now?
Hello. Grover is here waiting.
Well, Grover, Thomas, I think, should be here anytime soon. By the way, how did you get up there all that high, up on that ledge?
I left Sesame Street and I need to go back, so I'm trying to find the train. The higher you are, the more you see.
And why did you leave Sesame Street?
I went to visit one of my new friends from Dream Again.
Oh, wow, that's really nice. Is that Olivia? Did you meet my sister?
Yes, your sister Olivia.
Oh, that's really cool. Did you have a good time with her?
Yes, I had a fabulous time. She introduced me to many new friends.
Well, I promise you one thing, Grover. Thomas the Train is going to make sure that you get back to Sesame Street safe and sound. Oh, look, I think I can hear him already. Here, Grover, let me place you in Thomas the Train. Make sure to buckle up. Grover, are you ready to go to Sesame Street?
Yes, I must go home quickly.
Thomas, it's time to go!
Bye, friends.
Bye! Hi, kids. I think we've arrived at Central Station. Right here is Central Station. And I can see Thomas is coming up. He wants to deliver all of his passengers to the train station. Come on, Thomas. Oh, and look, there's Grover. Grover, hey, you've made it to Central Station. And your next stop then is Sesame Street. But first, let's make sure that the firefighter and the race car driver and the truck driver and the helicopter pilot and you, Grover, you can all exit here and you will arrive at your home. Thank you for traveling with Thomas the Train. He's been very happy to have you on board. Thanks. And kids, remember, the train is a fun transportation to use. Have you ever taken a train? Well, next time ask your parents to take you on a train. It's so much fun. Bye, kids. Bye.
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.